A portfolio is an architect's voice. It showcases your skills, your vision, your potential. A well-crafted portfolio sheet is crucial. It captivates the viewer, leaving a lasting impression. Think of each sheet as a story. It needs a clear narrative, engaging the viewer. Your portfolio is a collection of these stories. Each one highlights your talent. Remember, first impressions matter. Your portfolio is often the first interaction with potential employers or clients. Make it count.
Layout is key to a successful portfolio sheet. It sets the stage for how your work will be perceived. A well-organized layout guides the viewer's eye seamlessly across the page. It highlights your best work effectively, ensuring that your strengths are immediately visible. Consider the use of white space. Don't overcrowd the page with too many elements. Give your work room to breathe. This makes each piece stand out more. White space creates visual appeal and a sense of balance. Think about the orientation of your work. Landscape or portrait, each has its own impact. Choose what best suits the project. Experiment with different arrangements. Hierarchy is important to guide the viewer. What do you want the viewer to see first? Make that element stand out. Use size and placement to emphasize key elements. This helps in drawing attention to the most important parts of your work.
Visual balance is crucial for a pleasing aesthetic. It's not just about symmetry. It's about creating a sense of harmony. Use a mix of drawings, images, and text. This creates visual interest. Avoid monotony by varying the scale of elements. Color can be a powerful tool. Use it sparingly to highlight key features. Too much color can be distracting. Pay attention to fonts and typography. Choose legible fonts that complement your work. Consistency is key for a professional look.
Section 4. Essential Elements, showcasing your architectural vision. This section is all about how to effectively present your architectural ideas and concepts. Your portfolio should tell a compelling story that captivates your audience. Include a variety of drawings to showcase your diverse skills and creativity. Plans, sections, elevations, and perspectives are essential. High-quality images are crucial to make a strong impression. Renderings bring your designs to life, making them more tangible and understandable. Use professional photography to capture your work in its best light, highlighting the finer details. Text should be concise and informative, providing just enough detail without overwhelming the viewer. Provide context for your projects to help viewers understand the environment and purpose. Explain your design decisions clearly, outlining the rationale behind your choices. Annotations can enhance your drawings, making them more informative and easier to understand. Use them to highlight key features or explain technical details, ensuring nothing important is overlooked.
Section 5. Conclusion. A portfolio that speaks volumes. A well-composed portfolio sheet is a powerful tool. It not only highlights your skills but also tells a story about your journey and growth as an architect. It showcases your talent and leaves a lasting impression. A thoughtfully curated portfolio can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. It's an investment in your future. The time and effort you put into creating a compelling portfolio will pay off in the long run. Take your time and craft each sheet carefully. Every detail matters, from the choice of projects to the way they are presented. Pay attention to layout, visual balance, and key elements. These aspects can significantly enhance the overall impact of your portfolio. Your portfolio should reflect your best work. It should be a testament to your creativity, technical skills, and professional achievements. Remember, your portfolio is a work in progress. It should evolve as you gain more experience and complete new projects. Continuously update it with your latest and greatest projects. This keeps it fresh and relevant. Make it a true reflection of your evolving architectural vision. Let it speak volumes about who you are and what you can achieve.